Hello guys, today we'll be learning how to play God Will Make a Way by Moen, including the modulations within the song. Okay guys, so that was the song, and I'm going to break down the different parts of the song. So the first part of the song was the intro, which was one in the key of F major. So the song started in the key of F major, went to the key of G major, then went to the key of B flat major, and then back to the key of G major. Okay, so we started the key of F major. The intro was in the key of F major, which was one. This is one, one, five, five, four, four, five, five, one. So for the beginners out there, the one is F major in the key of F major. The five is C major in the key of C major. Then the four is B flat major. This B flat major in the key of F major. So one, one, five, five, four, four, five, five, one. That was the intro. And then to the song, God will make a way. God will make a way on five where there seems to be no way. So one, five, four, one. Right. So again, God will make a way. 1 5. Yeah, there seems to be 4. To be no way. 1. So 1, which is a major, to the 5, which is C major, to the 4, which is F B flat major, to the 1, which is F major. It works in ways we cannot see. That's 4 to the 1. It will make a way for me. This is the 2 over the 4, right? So you play the 2, play 4. Sorry, play the 4 over the 2, right? So it will make a way where there seems to be no way. He walks in ways we cannot see. He will make a way. Oh, sorry. He will make a way for me. So this is the 5, but you play 1 way for me. Then back to the He will be my guide. 1 to the 5 to the 4. Hold me closely to his side. Hold me close to hold me close to his side, right? With love and strength. With love and strength for each new day. He will make a way for me. He will make a way, Same thing I showed you. Now the modulation was done from F major to G major, right? So the song went from F major to G major. And to do that, it was a walk up from the 4 to the 1 in the key of G major. So this is G major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So a walk up from the 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, right? So the chords is just the 1 and the 5 chord I'm playing. On the 4, I have the 4. On the 5, I have the 5 chord. So I'm just alternating. On the 6, I have the 4. On the 7, I have the 5 chord. And on the 1, I have the 1 chord. So, okay. Then it goes to the song again, which is the same progression. 1, which is G major now, to the 5, which is D major, where there seems to be no way, which is the 4, which is C major, right, to the 1. Right? 4, 1 to the 2 now. 2, remember the 4 chord over the 2. That's the 1 chord over 5. 1, 4, 1, 2, right? So that's the progression in G major. So we moved from F major to G major now, okay? So now the song moves from G major to D flat major temporarily in the bridge. That's where it sings, by a roadway in the wilderness you lead me. So we go five, 4, 4, 1. So to usher in into the B major key, we play the 5, right? So the dominant. So this is more like going 5, 4 by roadway in the wilderness, So it's like going 5, 4. Right? So that's like playing the dominant to the 4, 5 in the key of B flat major. So again, by roadway in the wilderness, the 5. You lead me. Now the 4 in the key of B flat major is this E flat major triad. This is the 5 in the key of B flat major, which is the F major, and to the 1, which is the B flat major triad. So yeah, so I just use this soft chord to go to the 1, right? Which is E flat, F, B flat. Okay, again. So on the left you're playing the 1. Then still is on B flat. Rivers in the desert will I see. 4, 4, 5, 5. So this is 4, 5, 6. Now this 6 is not minor, right? Play the major. So all together. Then now goes to G major, right? Heaven and earth will fade, but his words remain the same. So heaven and earth will fade, but his words will still remain. So this heaven and earth is 4, 5, 3, diminished chord. This is a diminished chord, right? It's a passing chord to the 6. So what did I just play? All I played was just 4, 5, which are both major chords, which is C major to D major. This is in the key of G. Now G major, the key of G major. So this chord is the 4, which is C major, D major, then to the 3, which is B minor, and then to this passing chord, which is the diminished E flat chord, to the E minor chord, which is the 6. So heaven and earth, where your words will still remain. Heaven and earth will fade, where your word will still remain. Right? So that's it. And if you do something new today, 4, we will do something new today. Like day, like the day. So 4, 4, 5. This is E sus 4. E sus 4 is E, A, B. It creates this tension and it wants to resolve. And what does it resolve to? Usually a sus chord resolves to its major chord. So it resolves to E major. So it's like you're going 4, 5, 6 sus 4 to 6 major. So all together. To the G major key now. So God make a way, and there seems to be no way. Back to our song. So that's the song in entirety. If you like this video, please share with your friends, share the knowledge, and please do like, please do subscribe, and see you in future videos. If you have any questions, please drop your comments and I'll review them. Thank you, and God bless.